All right, let's call it a day. Hayato, do you want to go out for drinks after this? Can't today. Wow, that was fast. You could at least pretend to think about it a little. You're hurting my feelings here. Sorry, I'm heading to my parents' place today. Your parents' place is a hot spring inn, right? Didn't you go there last week, too? Yeah, they asked me to help out at the inn on weekends. I'm Natsume Hayato, just an ordinary office worker. My mom asked me to come help out at our family's hot spring inn, so I've been busy heading back to my parents' place on weekends. Your parents' place is about a 30-minute train ride from here, right? Can I come stay sometime? No way. Why not? He's my coworker, Hirasawa Yusuke. We've been friends since high school. He's always inviting me out for drinks or to hang out like this. I feel bad turning him down every time because of my busy schedule. All right, let's go for drinks again when things calm down for you. Yeah, it's always just us guys, which is kinda sad. Next time, let's invite some girls, too. Sure, but who should we invite? How about Kanzaki? That's not gonna work. Why not? Think about it, even if we invite her, she won't come. My coworker, Minori Kanzaki. She's beautiful and competent, and she's the object of admiration for the male employees. She's like a flower on a high peak. Many have feelings for her, but no one has ever managed to get her attention. And considering we've never even had a proper conversation with her outside of work. Yeah, the chances are pretty slim. It's 0. You don't have to be so blunt. You really aren't interested in girls at all, huh? Don't you ever think about wanting to hang out or have a girlfriend? Not at all. I wish I could be as carefree as you. It's already this late? All right, I'm heading home. Yeah, see you later. Don't you ever think about wanting a girlfriend? There was a time when I used to think that way too. In middle school, just talking to a girl in trouble made the other girls tease me. In high school, a girl in my class pretended to confess to me and totally messed with me. In college...
You're really nice and good looking, but there's just something missing.
Huh?
You're fun to hang out with, but not really boyfriend material. Sorry.
I didn't even confess, so why am I getting rejected? I've never had good experiences with women. Over time, I developed a kind of fear towards girls. As a result, even at 25, I've never been in a relationship. I sometimes feel envious of my friends who have girlfriends, but not having a girlfriend doesn't really cause me any problems. That's how I rationalize it. One day... Made it in time. As expected, it's really crowded at this hour. I usually leave earlier to avoid the packed trains, but today it's been pouring rain since morning, so I got to the station later than usual. Crowded trains are exhausting. Excuse me, I'm getting on. That's Kanzaki. I was surprised to see her in the same train car, but even more surprising was her outfit. She's practically see-through. Should I tell her? No way, it feels like a waste.
Huh? Oh my!
They have no tact at all. Saying you're bad with girls isn't the situation here. I've got to do something for her. Use this.
Natsume! Can I borrow this jacket?
Yeah, it might be a bit big for you, though.
Thanks. Natsume?
It's nothing. Her cuteness almost made me lose my composure. Keeping a cool head was all I could manage with her sparkling smile. Yes! Did you catch a cold? Nah, I just got chilled from the rain. You came to work without a jacket, right? You gotta stay warm or you'll end up getting sick. You sometimes say things like my mom would. What's that supposed to mean? By the way, Kanzaki's been wearing that jacket all day. It's not her usual style, and it looks way too big on her, but it's kinda cute. Looks like her boyfriend's jacket, no doubt about it. That's probably not it. That's actually my jacket. How do you even know that? Well... If it turns out she really does have a boyfriend, most of the guys at this company would probably be shocked. Yeah, you're right. I can't possibly say that it's my jacket in this situation. Still, seeing her with her usual smile makes me feel a bit relieved. Phew! Are you sure you're okay? I'm fine. Maybe I did catch a cold after all? I'm supposed to help out at my parents' place again this weekend, so I better be careful. I'm home!
Welcome back, Hayato.
My family's small, traditional inn is quite popular locally and always fully booked on weekends. A couple of weeks ago, several staff members decided to quit. So, I agreed to help out at home temporarily until they find new staff. Miyano-san is scheduled to arrive at 5 p.m. in room 308. Kanzaki-san will be in room 511, arriving around 4 p.m. They'll be here soon.
Are you okay?
Seems like I caught a cold.
Oh no, if that's the case, you didn't have to push yourself to come here.
We're already short-staffed as it is. If you suddenly said you couldn't make it, it would have been a problem for you, right?
What are you talking about? Don't worry about us, just take the day off today. It'd be bad if your cold gets worse.
Got it.
Excuse me, I'm Kanzaki, here for my reservation.
Ah, Ms. Kanzaki, welcome. Oh!
Natsume?
Kanzaki, what are you doing here?
This is my hometown. Lately I've been really into taking hot spring trips alone. I heard this inn is highly recommended, so I made a reservation.
No way. Sorry I didn't notice earlier. Actually, this inn is my family's place.
Really? It's your family's place? What a coincidence! Hayato? Who's this young lady?
Oh, she's Kanzaki. We work together at the same company.
Hello. Thank you for coming. If you two are acquainted, could I ask you to show her to her room?
Got it.
Afterwards, make sure to rest well and get over your cold quickly.
I know, you're such a worrier. I feel kind of tired and achy, so I'll go to bed early tonight.
Wow, what a lovely room.
Good, looks like she's happy. The staff are available at the front desk 24/7, and I'm staying here until tomorrow, so if you need anything, just let us know.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I guess I'll head to my room.
Wait, Natsume!
Kanzaki, what's up?
You definitely have a fever. Your face is really red.
That's because you're right in front of me.
Is it because you lent me your jacket?
It's not because of you. I do feel a bit feverish, but I think it's because I've been busy helping out at home lately and pushing myself too hard.
Really?
Yeah, so don't worry about it, just enjoy yourself. That surprised me. Her hands are so small. What am I thinking? Anyway, I should get some sleep. I feel like my fever might spike if I don't. I don't know how long I've been sleeping, but I woke up to the sound of someone knocking on the door. Huh? Maybe Mom?
Natsume, are you okay?
Kanzaki, what's wrong?
I was worried about you. When I asked your mom, she told me your room.
I see. Thanks to Mom. Kanzaki?
Is there anything I can do?
What can she do for me? Wait, now that I think about it, a girl sneaking into a guy's room while he's sleeping? No, wait, that's definitely not okay to suggest out of the blue. I appreciate it, but maybe we should take things step by step. I appreciate your feelings, but you should take better care of yourself.
Huh?
Your clothes.
I heard this inn is short-staffed and really busy, so I thought maybe I could help out in your place. It's hard to move around in a yukata.
Oh, that's what she meant.
Natsume?
Kanzaki, punch me!
Why?
I made a rude misunderstanding that disrespected her concern for me. You came all the way to stay at our inn and now you're offering to help?
Yeah. Remember when you helped me on the train the other day? I wanted to return the favor.
Can I ask for your help then?
Sure.
She helped out, and we managed to get through a busy weekend. She caught on to the work quickly, and Mom and the other staff were really grateful. Kanzaki, thanks so much for helping out.
Yeah, I'm glad I could help you too.
She's so cute.
Natsume?
It's nothing.
There's something I've been wanting to tell you for a while.
Something you wanted to tell me?
I was really happy when you helped me the other day. Since then, I haven't been able to get you out of my head.
Huh?
When we talked at work, I just thought you were probably a kind person. But then I saw how you can't ignore someone in need, like lending your jacket even when you might catch a cold. Seeing all these different sides of you, I realize I've started to like you. Would you consider going out with me?
Does she like me?
Your face is beet red.
Sorry, I'm just really surprised, but I'm really happy. I like you too. Will you go out with me?
Yes. All right, I'll head to work first.
Minori, wait!
Huh?
They say there's a 90% chance of rain today.
Really? I don't want to go through another embarrassing moment like last time.
Yeah, me neither.
But if that hadn't happened, we might not be married now.
True. 5 years later, we got married and are now spending our lives together as husband and wife. I think you should go.
I have a meeting, so I need to hurry. Hayato,
Yeah?
I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. I never thought that a mishap on a train where I approached her would lead to becoming her husband, despite my slight mistrust of women. I'm glad I spoke to her that day. As we live today, I hope for a happy future together with my beloved forever.
Hello! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you all next time. Bye-bye!